Hi there, we are Have Sea Will Swim. We're looking at sea swimming in Ireland. The team is myself, Karl on design, Mairead on software, Charlie on business development, and Laura on data. The problem we've identified, huge number of increase of people sea swimming in Ireland, but we don't have the data and the facilities to support all these numbers of people at these sites. So the opportunity we've seen is to encourage more people to keep swimming, to create better facilities and better infrastructure and continue this trend in the community.
So for our customer value proposition, we see the benefits to several different types of people in our proposition. We see individual swimmers are going to get better information about swimming locations and the ability to report any issues they come across. For local authority, we will see that they are going to benefit because they'll have better opportunities to plan infrastructure and to monitor issues that are happening in real time. For clubs and organizations, we'll help them to develop a sense of community around swimming. And then we also see going forward, maybe the fisheries and that would be interested from a point of view of water quality and water pollution and that sort of issue that they care about.
So on the technology side, we will be applying machine learning to satellite imagery. There's a huge amount of things we can track, including water temperature, water quality, currents, wind speed, and dangers such as rocks and jellyfish blooms. So all of this is very relevant to swimmers and will be up to date in real time. And we'll have an app for the swimmers and a dashboard for local authorities that will keep them up to date with the information. And here is an example of how it looks currently, where you can input any dangers you have seen and you can alert other swimmers.
We'll focus on a grassroots momentum movement to target the uptake in users and people going swimming throughout the lockdown. We can then transition to focus more on the local authority side and get these key stakeholders involved, which will be key in receiving funding and progressing further with capital uptake. On the next slide, we can see a breakdown of the European region and our target expansion plans. We look to target the Project Ireland 2040 infrastructure plan. One of the many spending programs within this is a 940 million plan project for flood risk management, and we feel our superior tech and infrastructure could be a prime candidate to receive funding for this project. Thank you very much for your time, and hopefully, if you move to the next slide, thank you very much for the time, and hopefully we progress further and chat soon.